National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Walter Hill, or 13 miles northeast of Murfreesboro, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Walter Hill, Auburntown, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Las Gases, and Milton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.